When performed properly, with the correct equipment and supplies, cleaning and maintenance are preservation techniques that will prolong the life of your soft surface, keep it looking great, and prolong the need to replace it for years and possibly decades. Step-by-step coffee stain treatment. Tools needed are a white cotton towel, soft brush for agitation, coffee stain remover, hot water extractor, and a Carpet and Rug Institute approved encapsulant cleaner, such as Tarkett Cyan 5. Apply the coffee stain remover chemistry and agitate. Allow about 5 minutes dwell time. Do not allow to dry. Blot area to look for coffee transfer to towel. Apply Cyan 5 full strength to the contaminated area and agitate. Allow 10 to 15 minute dwell time. Do not allow to dry. Rinse using hot water extraction. Fully flush until no residue is present in the fiber. Take multiple vacuum-only passes for maximum moisture removal. Place air mover to speed drying process. It is very important that all safety precautions for equipment, chemistry, and supplies be closely followed by the individuals performing these processes. Tarkett is not responsible for personal injury or damage to property.